Welcome to Teddy Ganja Broadcast. Get informed, yeah. Don't get rotten fool. Just be cool, yeah. Get informed.
Oh, Teddy, what is happening? The ETFs got approved, and instead of Bitcoin taking off, Ethereum took off. Teddy, Ethereum took off. It's been taken off the entire day. What do I have wrong? That is the question of the day. Boys, do not worry. Everything is okay. Things are really going to play out tomorrow, and I do want to talk all things crypto. But before we get started, it is hard finding crypto enthusiasts like yourself. The goons are already in. You need to join. Hit that subscribe. We're growing like crazy. We would love to have you come be part of the goons. All right. With that being said, we're going to go right into the market. Oh, Teddy. Oh, Teddy. That is all I hear now. It's all I hear. We actually had a good run offline. Teddy, now I kind of like Gary Gensler. Guess what, buddy? He's on his way out. Only one more summer of Gary Gensler, and we get a new SEC person in. So it'll be very, very good indeed. But we are at a very historical moment today. You know, the ETFs did get approved. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Congratulations to crypto everywhere. Bitcoin currently stands at 46K, even after the approvals. And, you know, we are keeping an eye on it because I do want to see where it goes from here. You know, we had talked about the anticipated pullback. Which kind of, I think we jumped the gun. I think a few people already liquidated early on that. So now the people that are in, I think, are going to hold because, like, who's going to want to sell for a loss at the stage? And anyone that does, take profit, the people that bought in at the higher price, they're gonna hold on. You know, I highly doubt they're gonna sell for lower return. So we're definitely in it for the long run. What a day, Goonies. William, nice to see you, buddy. How are things? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. SEC approved spot Bitcoin ETF accelerated basis on an accelerated basis. Get it out there. We need it there tomorrow. We should have had it yesterday. The amount of um craziness that the SEC has done in the last 24 hours. We also got to talk about that. We broke it down a little yesterday, you know, really with the times, and now we learned a little bit more. So we are going to talk all about it. But before we even get started, I do want to give a shout out to Coochie Boy, who you know, has been killing it consistently with the futures games. He's been showing his plays. He's been showing us his candle ways, and a lot of the guys in the Telegram guys are actually like benefiting. We're making informed decisions together. I do want to give credit where credit is due. The guys doing very well, keeping the community tight and doing, you know, well informed. I love it. I got bonked. Oh man. Oh man. That means what? Bonk is up like 20%, right? You're doing really good, I think. Or even more. Oh man. Oh man. I love it. I love it, William. I'm so glad we looked at that chart. There he is, Coochie Boy. I just gave you credit and you came in late. I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to rewind to go watch all the glory because I ain't gonna repeat it. Just kidding. I gotta give credit where credit. No, I'm just kidding. So with that being said, 1.77 trillion global crypto market cap. Yesterday 1.71, and we were like, hey, are we headed towards that 2 trillion goal? So I think it is achievable. Keep in mind, the last time we've seen prices like this, we necessarily didn't fully get into a bull run state, you know. So 46K, I like it. I like where we are. I'm going to continue to keep a track of it. I'm not quite happy with the movement. I was expecting a lot more purchasing power. We only truly went up like 0.06 trillion. I know I say only, and I know it's a lot, but like I was expecting these institutions to be like, all right, there it is. Let's start throwing money into this, you know. So they're saying that will be tomorrow. So I will wait and tomorrow will be the day that trading begins, and we'll keep an eye on it. Is there going to be even more buying power? And the anticipation for the BTC guys is, yes, tomorrow is going to be the day it's going to continue. Well, there's a whole nother and we talked about this a little bit yesterday during the chart segment, but I do want to hit on it because I know not all the viewers watched till the end, but like there's a whole nother segment going, hey, BTC is going to fall before the halving as well. So is this truly the start of the bull run? Or are we going to see another retracement before we actually see that bull run start a year after, 2025? Basically, they're saying September, I believe, was the last um, prediction. So we will keep an. Hey, Cody, I love it. I love it. What's going on, Cody? Nice to see you. William, did you get bong too? Oh yeah, dude, did you get bong? Bong is a bonus thing on off of Bonk there on Solana, so it's quite interesting ecosystem that's playing out, definitely. All right, so greed, we're still greedy, we're still going there, not quite more greedy, but we're definitely going up. So as I said, the wrong thing went up. What the hell, Teddy? Ethereum went up crazy because basically what's happened is it's the buy the rumor, sell the news event. People know, hey, we rode the BTC rumor with the ETFs being approved, so now they're throwing their money into Ethereum because that's going to be the next approval. They're going to do the buy the rumor, sell the news. Now, what is evident is the money has left. The people that sold BTC are now into Ethereum. You've seen that dominance move. Normally, BTC being around 53, we're seeing that dominance where ETH was normally around 16. We're seeing it has moved up to 17.5, and really the price action 9% increase on the day. So credit, got to give credit where credit is due. These investors be slimy. I guess that's all I got to say. BNB did well. Solana did well. I think at a certain point, we were looking at Solana at $92, and then we rode that up all the way to 100. So that was pretty good. XRP, and people are premature with XRP, and we charted XRP yesterday, moved that fib retracement. A lot of things happened with XRP, and I'm now watching that dominance because we could be potentially looking at a mini run here. H bar to 1,000. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let me see. Can I actually find H bar in here? I don't know if I can, buddy. Quant. Oh, I saw quant in there. Helium curved out. No, I do not have eyes. Yeah, no, it's fine. Next time, next time. Cody, I'm with you, buddy. I'm with you. I've learned about that ecosystem. It looks nice. It looks nice indeed. Oh, Teddy. Oh, Teddy. Oh, Cody. All right, all right, all right. No bong. Damn it, William. You had one job. You had one job. You had to get into the Solana thing and buy all of it. Buy all of it. Don't let any of it go. So, Big Get Token, biggest loser. I don't believe this truly, to be honest, because it's like everything's up. It's very little things are down right now. Biggest scanner, ETC. Love to see it. Ethereum Classic Arbitrum, another one. Oh, Teddy. Oh, Teddy. Blur. It's like almost everything you touch, it has gone up. Solana's up, Bonk's up, Arbitrum's up, SEI's up. I know Red Sox, big fan of SEI. We got into SEI as well. So awesome, awesome, awesome. I'm sure everyone's portfolios are happy today. Take profits when needed. If you're in it for the long run, this is nothing but another timeline. So we just continue. I want to be a billionaire so freaking bad. I know, Cody. We're gonna do it, buddy. We're gonna do it. We're gonna find the thing. We're gonna buy the thing, Cody. We're gonna buy the thing. What do we got to buy? That's all we got to know. We're going to buy all of XRP. We're going to be XRP champions. We got to find that one thing. I want. I'm with you. 100%. All right. So we are going to talk about the longs versus the shorts. People are going super bullish on BTC back again. And we're looking at that 60-40 split back to the norm. And you flip over to the ETH side and whoa, what's happening there, right? 60-40 split, potentially really 56-44. So people are going bullish a little less than normal. Normally we see this 70-30 and you go, hey, the sentiment has changed. People are trying to short it because it has pumped a lot. So I think the people that are trying to get into that shorting and skim some profits off the top, that's exactly what they're trying to do. They're hoping that it hits 2,600 and then they can ride it down. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on it and hope for the best, but it definitely ETH is a standout today. 10% on the day it is up. Bitcoin, not as much. Definitely a shakeout. Went all the way down, back up. It was like crazy, but leveling out at 46. So we like to see that. We hope that it continues to make upward price action tomorrow when trading is live. So that is pretty much what I had for the market. Now we get to talk about the news, and there is yeah, some fun stuff talking, and we got to talk about Gary frickin' Gensler, our boy, our hater, our biggest crypto enthusiast that's not a hater but pretends to be a hater. I don't even know what to call him. He's Gary Gensler. We call him Clown Gary, but everyone's got some other preference for him. So this guy finally said, "Hey, yay, we greenlighted it, we approved it, but this isn't a BTC endorsement." So the freaking guy still can't get over Bitcoin, Ethereum. He is still, caught with his pants down. Oh my God! Even though I approved uh, the ETF, I'm still not going to endorse it. It's like, wait, what the hell? Everyone can see what's really going on, Gary. Your pants are down, all right? We know what's up. We see it. We see what's going on. We know why you're doing this. So I thought it was a very disappointing statement from Gary, but disappointment is pretty much what I expect. I cannot wait till the summer. The guy actually leaves. We get someone that is crypto positive, that is not a Gary Gensler, that does not come in with fake I approve and I am pro crypto um manner, and then kind of do a full 180 and go, screw crypto. Can't trust that. It's full of scammers. I mean, yeah, but that's why we need Gary to put some regulation, write some stuff. It's like, what the hell are you doing? What are you smoking, Gary? Come over here, smoke that like button. We teach you some knowledge. The goons know. We know. So, yeah, very interesting thing. BTC isn't endorsed, even though the freaking guy, the chair himself, fast tracked the Bitcoin ETF approval. This freaking clown, guys. I cannot even. The amount of words we can say about Gary Gensler is not anything related to the type of person he is, but the way he is conducting his job and the way that job is being taken. I just feel is just not proper. There's many other things he could be focused on and could actually be writing real written laws, which surely will not come in any time, even after he leaves. So, very, very disappointing statements by Gary here, even after the approval. But on a brighter note, we got the approval after the embarrassing 24 hours for the SEC. And you guys know the SEC got compromised yesterday, and now the FBI is involved in the hack. What do you think they're going to find? What do you think those unauthorized tweets, the people that tweeted it out, what's going to happen? They're going to push it under the rug. It was Gary himself trying to find his entry point and be like, ha ha ha, I got in before anyone else. you know? The timing is just weird, it's like within that what was it, 17 minutes between the first tweet and Gary's tweet saying, hey, the account's compromised, and it took them 27 minutes to actually delete the tweet once it was published. So and in that time BTC fell, and it fell hard, so you knew it was by the r- excuse me, burping, by the rumor sell news event, and they definitely showed that yesterday when we saw BTC go down like that. So that great embarrassing thing, we were speculating, hey, could they use that as like, hey, we got to delay the approvals, and thank God it didn't happen that way, and luckily they approved it on time, and we got the approvals at last, and other coins are now pumping because people are anticipating the next two ETFs to come in, potentially being Ethereum and XRP. So my eyes are on XRP as potentially being the next one. Keep in mind, there's a lot of companies behind XRP. XRP has use case as well. So we are keeping an eye on, and that's not just XRP. All of them can be put in, but it is one I am eyeing viciously. Let me move on here. We also have XRP shows unexpectedly painful performance. So, as I said, a lot of these things are premature. And, people don't wait for things to play out to actually understand, and they don't understand TA, and they try to shill other tokens at you in the narrative of like, hey, look what's happening with XRP. So, the article starts off like, oh, XRP, painful performance, right? Yeah, Arbitrum did well. Arbitrum's almost at a all-time high from where it was the past month, right? It was like a 2x almost. Um, but with XRP, with all the scrutiny that it got, the use case for XRP still stands. And, this is a ledger where smart contracts aren't actually deployed, right? So there's no degens in XRP. This is a true potential that I'm hoping that these guys use that opportunity. And then you come in and they start shitting on Shiba Inu, like, oh, there it is, Shiba Inu no good. XRPs, the RSI is not really looking good. We're hoping there's going to be more buying pressure, but that just never happened. So the RSI is low, so we're not expecting much. Shiba Inu, same thing. And it's like relatively both of them are doing fairly okay, holding their own. And then they just like are pushing Arbitrum on us. It's like, oh, look at all these things. Like, bro, then you might as well just push Ethereum. So regardless, don't fall for the clickbait. There is no painful performance from XRP. XRP is doing great. We will talk about it during the chart segment, but I do want to point it out because I hate when they do this BS type of clickbaity things, and I want to call it out for us goons as well. All right, so this one's the fun one. We talked about it yesterday. The lowest it's ever been. Bitcoin decoupling from NASDAQ, aka for those of you guys that don't understand stocks, just like me, stocks, NASDAQ, I'm like, okay, so somehow they go, hey, when stocks are up, NASDAQ is up, Bitcoin is up. When NASDAQ is down, Bitcoin is down. And it's been like that for quite some time. Well, finally, in the last 40 days, oh, wait, before that, and that whole thing, when NASDAQ is up, Bitcoin being up, and when NASDAQ is down, Bitcoin being down, that's measured on a scale, right? For, let's say, from 0 to 1. Well, that's basically the scale that they're talking about. 0 being, hey, there is no correlation between them, meaning if it's up, um, uh, one can be up and the other one cannot be, and then one being, yeah, it's 100% correlated, right? So it finally goes down. It finally went down into the 0 range, meaning there's no correlation. This is the 40-day that they measured between NASDAQ and Bitcoin, and we're finally seeing, for the first time after 4 years, we have decoupled from the stock. So we can finally say, oh, government got nothing. But in reality, if you truly look at it, government's already put their foot in everything. They already own a lot of the miners, and oh my God, there's so many things going on. There's a whole thing. That's why I'm saying, guys, start looking at the architecture for Bitcoin. See what else it's doing. See what they're hiding. There is a reason people are buying Bitcoin. They're not all crazy, right, dude? Why are people buying things that are 50 grand right now? They're not all crazy. There is a reason. There is a reason. Let me see here. Binked assets over liabilities. Weren't you a part of Shinja? Lol. Yeah, thought so. You were part of a scam and knew it, but rode with Cliff because he paid you. LMAO. No, didn't ride with anybody. I got let go from Shibnobi in January. There was no. I got a call one day, just like everyone else on the team, and I was like, "All right, this is me now." So I continued. I still have to pay bills. I still have a life, and this is where I am, buddy. Let me see here. All right. So yes, this is the Bitcoin thing. We got the zero correlation. Finally. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Um, I do believe Bitcoin is going to continue to solidify itself going into 2024, into 2025. I just assume the dollar could weaken potentially. Um, Even weakening or even introduction of the BRICS currency, right? So we're going to have a lot of shakeups in the foreseeable future. And that's why I'm banking on that BTC, man. Yeah, let it decouple. I'm okay with that. We're going to ride it out. We're going to ride it out. So it's still premature, 40 days, only in the last 40 days, but still the first time in 4 years. So got to give credit where credit is due. And it was a great run for crypto today. So now, with that being said, we got to move on to the chats. Teddy. I need to look at the chats. All right, let's go look at the chats because I do want to start off with BTC. And here is that price action. So this is where I start to get nervous because it's a brand new day. Yesterday we didn't truly break the previous all-time high, and I really wanted to push towards that 49K. Didn't really happen, right? So we look at the price action on the way up and we go, hey, can it make another high from the previous day? And unfortunately, this time around it didn't. So we have a brand new day. Can it hopefully either consolidate at the 45K level or above the 45K, really the 46K level? Or are we going to see a downtrend? Down. So the fib retracement on the previous time frame, I still looking at it. I'm above the 0.618 level. As long as I'm above the 0.618 level, we stay bullish on Bitcoin, right? So keep in mind, this has been achieved. Our profit taking from, hey, if we got in around 44K, I'm taking profits here, right? If I'm in it for like the day. Unfortunately, not everyone's in it for the day. I'm also looking at the lower lows, right? So the previous day, we actually did go lower than the previous day as well. So now I look at today and I go, it's make it or break it day. Either we push into tomorrow above 47K, really getting towards that 49K, or we are going to retrace back down right into that 43K level. So we are entering that make it or break it times again. Guys, keep everything close. Don't do anything crazy. As I say, don't be a hero. You know, tomorrow could get crazy hectic if you're into BTC. And now we look at Ethereum and you get a whole different chart. 1.618 has now been achieved, right? So we talked about the 0.618. Hey, if we close above the 0.618 level on this fib retracement at the previous time frame, we see a bullish trend up. Boom, it got crossed like anything. And now we're actually living that dream. So we are seeing that price action continue to go up. And you go, hey, what's next? Really, the next level you're looking at to continue that positive price action is you either hope consolidation here at the 2,578 level or a push to 2,900. So we know Ethereum ETFs are next. Am I banking on this $300 uprise? Tomorrow's going to be the true, the we're going to see tomorrow. If Bitcoin has a positive price action tomorrow, the guys banking into Ethereum now are going to do the same thing. Oh, when Ethereum ETFs get approved, look what happened with the Bitcoin ETFs, or they're going to dump it right tomorrow if there's horrible price action. So if it dumps, my prediction is 0.618 being 2,291, really 2,300. If it does not, catch support there, we go down. We go down to potentially 2,100 range. So keeping an eye on it from everything we've seen with the indicators, Andean opening up here. And remember, this is that God long, right? We've had this long since October. I think you're going to have to ride it out. So we'll see how long this sustains, but it is a very wide Andean oscillator. We continue on. We continue on to BNB. When it comes to BNB, 0.236. And we are seeing that reversal, so look how nicely the chart lines up with the fib retracement. So I'm really hoping we get back up to 320. We get back up to 320. BNB stays positive. But why I go still bullish on BNB, that long position since December stays. And even with all the FUD for BNB, it held its own above 300. So now we're going back to that point of, do we have entry around 300 and do we push up? So that's exactly the chart that we're looking at, right? So now we see that consolidation. We've seen that support, and the consolidation is what we're seeing right now at the 0.236, but it needs to push up to 320. Otherwise, you still go bearish on BNB till we see that positive price action up. We need that buying pressure to come in. Otherwise, these are all just entry points, right? So Solana, we haven't charted the fib retracement, but we did notice is that the crossover for the Andean oscillator. So it crossed over. We saw that selling pressure, but the buys are still there. And, if the market continues to be positive, we may continue to see this price action go up. So it's already had a one-time test. We see that nice consolidation reversal down, and we're seeing if it's going to have another reversal up. So keep an eye on it. It's still very narrow Andean oscillator, and we hope for the best. So as I said, be very careful with what you read. XRP, XRP, XRP. And this is really one of my main takeaways yesterday, even coming in. We are now looking at that Andean oscillator going super narrow. If we have another crossover, we may get the short going back to a long. We get a long position in, you start to wonder, how long is that long going to last? Last time we had the long come in, the long position came in really at the top of the candle. We were kind of late. Before that, it wasn't that bad. But before this long, we really had a nice price action up. I'm expecting this type of price action to repeat at a higher low, right? So not as low as 47 cents, but hopefully a similar price movement up. And if that price movement's up, I'm expecting 72 cents, right? So I do believe it is achievable. I'm continuing to hope. I continue to monitor, but the goal being indeed is we get to 72 cents. Let me see here. Shiba. And I even talked about the clickbaity article, but in reality, Shiba Inu is also holding its own. It's above the 0.618 level. I continue seeing positive action with the price happening there. I feel like there is something brewing, and I'm just not keeping up with it. Hopefully, it does result in higher volume and this price to continue to go up. We're gonna see. What the hell? I only have a few people message me when I stream. I just want to check. Uh, okay. Okay. Got it. Um, so yeah, that's basically what's happening with Shiba Inu. So I'm going pretty good with Shiba Inu, and I will flip it over to Bone. And you guys know I'm the biggest critic with the Bone, with the Shibarium ecosystem, blah blah blah. But Bone is potentially catching support, and it doesn't appear to be too much of a fake out. If this goes to another high and beats the previous high, and we're not seeing the God candle down, I'm going, hey, potentially this is the reversal we've been waiting for. So I'm going skeptical, but my mind goes a little bullish on the Shiba ecosystem. I feel like something's brewing. I just don't know what. Right. So Doge, Pepe, relatively the same, following market trends here. We know the shorts came in, but those buys are really trying to push up. If they do, we're looking at a potential reversal on the Indian oscillator for both there. So we know we have people in bonk, 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 bonk. It is above Indian oscillator, super narrow right now. And remember, it was very wide when the shorts came in, and we caught that short very late, right? We were days late. This short should have came in, and that's why you can't trust the indicators 100% of the time. But when this short came in, now you're seeing the long position come in. So it's a very uncertainty in the market is usually what that tells me. And now we may see. Oh, wait, did this long just come in? Does this long just come in? Wait, now I need to look at myself back. I did not see this. Teddy, was the long always there or did it just come in? I think. What was I looking at? I was looking at Bonk. Bonk did not have a long when I clicked on it. Let me see. Bonk did not have a long when I clicked on it. This long just came in. Oh yeah, right? Bonk did not. Is this Bonk? Yeah, this is Bonk. This is Bonk. Bonk did not have a long when I clicked on it. This long just came in. Oh wow. Wow, we're witnessing history. We're witnessing history. Bonk just had a long come in. Andy Oscillator may cross over. Holy crap. Nice. Nice. Bonk, little brother. Bong made a little noise. Yeah, let me check out Bong as well. For those of you guys who know, they're playing off the Bonk ecosystem. There's one called Bong. I can't find it here. Okay, let me move over to Goon Time. Feels like it's a proper time for Goon Time anyway. We're gonna go check out Bong. And at this time, I do want to give everyone a reminder. Starting next week, we are only streaming 2 times a week. I will be coming 2 times a week. Starting next week, which will be Monday and Thursday. I'm going to try and get you more crypto content on the channel. But for the most part, you're going to see less of me. So make sure you tune in on the days I do stream so we can all chill out and relax. So here's Bong right now. Bong on Solana. 88K in LP, 1 million market cap. It is making its legs up. Already 3.76K holders. So we'll see. We'll see. Let me see here. Yeah, this LP is actually very low considering the amount of holders they have. But I guess that's pretty much how Solana plays are. So yeah, it could potentially go up, man. I don't know. I took on the MetaMask. Read it web. I don't see the RSI here. Let me go on a smaller time frame. Give me the 5 minute. Here we go. Oh, RSI going back up. Teddy. Oh, Bollinger Bands. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh man, it gets fun when you start seeing bands and stuff. All right, so we're hugging the top band. So I'm profit taking right now. I wait for the leg down, bounce on the lower band. Either profit taking somewhere between the middle and the top band or take profits at the top band. Oh, that was a hard wave down in the last 5 minutes. Oh man, these charts be crazy. These charts be crazy. Yeah, it's hard to do TA. Oh boy, it's hard to do TA on the charts. So when the tokens are so new, so don't. This is like bro science, don't completely trust it. It's still quite interesting. Wait, why is my moving averages both the same freaking color? Bro, come on. Give me something. Give me something different. Give me yellow. All right, I'll take yellow. And then 200, give me orange. Orange, Teddy. Orange, you glad. Orange, you glad, Teddy. Orange, you glad. No, buddy, I'm not. Oh, wait, there's already an orange on there. All right, screw it. We're going purple. Teddy, we going. No, that's two. We going pink. Give me the pink. Give me the pink, 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 pink. All right, cool. Thanks, pal. Oh man, MA200's horrid. Yeah, dude, you're hugging this top band on Bong, man. Talking about Bong, did you guys smoke that like button? Are there 11 likes on the stream right now? Why not? Why you gotta do us dirty like that? Here we are trying to do TA for the goons, and you gotta throw us under the bus like that, man. Come on now. Come on now. Hey, how's Whiff doing? Mm, mm. Hot number one, 78% up 24 hours. Holy crap. Holy crap, Teddy. We're about to make it all back. Let me see. Is it really? Oh, yeah. Holy shit. Nice. 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 Yeah, I got into Whiff and I got wrecked. So screw you. What the hell? It went to like $2. It went to $3. What the hell? It went all the way to $9. What is happening, Dex Tools? What is happening? 4.51. Okay, this market cap versus this LP is crap, bro. I don't believe this. That's probably why it's going up and down so hard. All right, let me see any other tokens you guys want me to take a look at. H bar to 1,000. All right, let's go to H bar here. H bar, Teddy. H bar. Cody wants to know, how is it? How is it? Well, buddy. Oh boy, short signal. Yeah, but you got two buy candles, a little bit of a narrowing Indian oscillator. Yeah, I hope for the best. H bar looking hopefully it'll turn around right here. Yeah. No bong. No bong. Cody even said Volt to $1. How is Volt doing? Are they still on Volt Inu? Oh yeah, 7,000 something holders. Man, they're doing pretty good, guys. All right. I like it. 8 months ago. Yeah, making moves back up. I love it. Love it. What is this? 6 zeros for? 6 zeros for 2.71 million in LP, 20 million there. Have you looked at Render token at all? RNDR. Smoke that like button. Good evening to all. What's going on, Maddie B? Maddie B. Haha, Volt to $1 when Maddie have become Barry Manilow. What the hell? Smoke that like button. Me. Mark Noby. No, let me check out RNDR. I haven't looked at it in a long time, sir. But it is something. NDR. Bum 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 ba dum ba dum bum. Oh snap! What is happening here? All right, so you got a short signal that came in. Yeah, but it's following market trends. So if this price action breaks the short, I go super bullish on it right now. Maybe this is an entry point in if I anticipate a long. But yeah, short signal came in, and usually it's been pretty accurate when the short signal comes in. It may be a few days off, but it has gone. So yes, with that being said, the longs, when they do come in, it does go. Apparently JJ Abrams is co-CEO. They have partnerships with Disney and Meta. Wait, what the hell? With RNDR? Wait, why have I heard of this before? Why is this a render token? They do something. What do they do? Dang. RNDR on CoinMarketCap. Here we go. Oh, let me go this one. Wait, where did I just open the Bolt one? Oh, it went to a different one. Okay, fine. RNDR. Yeah, render. Yeah, it's at $4. Dude, that's freaking great. Let me see. What do they do again? Advanced next generation rendering and AI technology. Yeah, rendering is super important, especially for GPU processing, distributed GPU rendering on the blockchain. Oh, wow. Never heard of that. Imagine the amount of um computational power they're going to have in order to get those Disney animations up and going. Oh wow, this is really cool. This is really cool. Yeah, if they have these partnerships, I'm 100% upgrade to Solana. Click here to upgrade your process. What the hell is this now? They're on Solana? RNDR is on Solana. Yeah. Holy crap. Nice. Wow. Wow. I never knew this. That's crazy. They're so accessible. Wow. Look at these guys killing it. We're killing it, Teddy. We're killing it. Look at us. Now look at you. All my goons are riches. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. We done. We done. We done. Yeah, I think that is it. I am out. I will see you guys tomorrow for the last show. The last show till you guys see me to next week 2 times. 2 times, Teddy. I'm only seeing Teddy 2 times starting next week. How will I live? You will be fine, boys. I'm very accessible. Like most of the goons were already in touch. You won't miss me too hard. I have my second channel as well. Go watch content there. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I will see you guys tomorrow, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. Stay safe, stay strong, and most importantly of them all, don't be a hero. Just don't do it.
Don't get wrapped up. Yeah, yeah. 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 Get informed, get informed, get informed.